Hello Christmas crafters, welcome to today's video. Some of you may remember this rustic tree that I made a few weeks ago. I'm going to work on the second MDF base that I got from Hobbycraft. I'm going to do this one using the lollipop sticks. I'm going to give this a rough coat of white gesso. I don't necessarily need it to be perfectly white, but I do want to take this this dark wood back. So I'm just going to give it almost dry brushing it, and I'll do the same to the sides. I haven't decided whether I want to paint the sides so they're a solid white, or whether I want to keep the almost the dry brushing. Haven't decided yet, so that's something we'll decide later on. Now I'm going to cut these lollipop sticks into different lengths because I don't want them all the same length. So I'm going to cut off the round bits, and I'm just going to cut them into lengths, short bits, long bits. So I'm going to do that with all these I have here. I probably need more than what I've got here, but I have plenty, so I should be okay. Okay crafters, I've got quite a few pieces cut, but I'm going to need more obviously, and what I'm doing is as I get to this bit here I'm just cutting it so it fits in, or fits on I should say, and then I'm going to glue these pieces on, but I'm going to glue them so they are overlapping, so it's like almost, it's like shiplap, but shiplap tends to be butted up, but I'm going to overlap them slightly. So sit back with a hot drink, listen to some festive music, and let's get this done. Okay crafters, just putting on the last couple. Using my scissors to cut these pieces of lollipop sticks actually rubbed off my skin, so it's a bit painful. So please, if you're going to do something like this, please take care. Okay, now going back to my paintbrush, I am going to use, I don't think there's anything on there, opening up the gesso again. I don't want much. I'm going to give this a whitewash, but I'm also going to put some Snowtex on it, probably just on the boughs of the tree probably. Let's move that out of the way. let's bring over our Snowtex and let's put our Snowtex on. Now, like I said, I'm probably just going to have it kind of down the edges here. Because the other one's very heavily snowed, so I want to make this one different. And I think I've got this star here. I've got this wooden star with the galvanized steel on it, so I think I may hot glue that to the top. Let's put some down the side here. Now, I don't want this to be a total coverage, but just hinting that there is snow. Okay, crofters, I need to let this all set, and then I will add some Snowtex to my star once it's in place. I don't want to add it. Oh, I'm here, I might as well do it now. Turn you around, put some more glue at the back here to secure you in place. Okay, crofters, I need to let that set, and then I'll be back at the end with it all done.